We are as excited to meet and talk to you. This is a part, do you think you enjoy?
Of course.
Yeah.
I think I've not gotten the chance for people to get to know who I actually am.
True.
So I'm just excited. This is my first day, very nervous. But I'm looking forward. I think it's just fun to chat and for us to get to know each other.
You're sitting with someone who's seasoned and who we
Yes.
all absolutely love. Should she be nervous today?
There's no reason for her to be nervous. But that's how she is, you know. Whatever little I know of her after working with her, spending a lot of time with her. She's one of those students in class, ना जो exam देने के बाद आते हैं, जो कहते हैं कि अरे यार मेरा पेपर अच्छा नहीं गया और result आता है तो 97. She's definitely one of those students.
You're one of those. You are already famous. Everybody knows who you are thanks to Instagram and Paps or whatever the new culture is. Did you wish it had happened any other way? You had become famous later and fame had come later?
Whatever my journey has been till now, it's taught me a lot. Whatever the fame or the pressure or, you know, sometimes because with fame comes comments, comes the criticism. I've taken it in a very positive way. I've taken it as feedback. I've learned from it and I've grown from it, and I am who I am today because of my parents. They've brought me up in a certain way, and yes, my environment has been this, but I don't think I would have, you know, wanted any other way, because I'm confident today of who I am.
Is there an advice for not just her, anyone younger, how to switch off? Like, you know, how to just go into acting and switch off from this noise? That is important. Yeah, you do it well.
I don't know if I'm qualified to advise. I mean, मैं खुद ही वो advice
अच्छा कर रहे हो यार.
implement कर लूँ पहले, you know, after all the fame and adulation and all the perks in life, you know, एक centering force जो होती है, जो I think सबको लगती है, वो मेरे केस में मेरी family और मेरे friends हैं. तो वो होना जरूरी है.
Like you were talking about your journey, you have come here. It's not been easy. We first heard about you in 2021. Or? Yeah. When Bheda Radak was going to happen, Student of the Year took some time. What was that like? That any of your dad's traits helped you?
I mean, of course. I think whatever my dad's been through, we all know, and he's had his fair share of ups and downs. And of course, it's the environment that I've been brought up. Yes, it has been a journey to get here. But I'm very happy with the way things turned out. I'm happy that I went through the process that I went through. I'm happy I waited these couple of years, because I think I've become much better prepared as an actor. Hi, this is Shania Kapoor.
Hi, I'm Vikrant Massey.
And you're watching us on
Bollywood Hungama.
Shania, Vikrant, welcome to Bollywood Hungama.
Hi, Rohit bhai.
Everybody loves a fresh pairing, a new combination in movies. We all absolutely love that, and this is looking great.
Thank
you.
Thank
looking forward to it.
Thank you.
First day of big promotions,
yes.
First day, and we are as excited to meet and talk to you. This is a part, do you think you enjoy?
Of course. I think, like I said before, when we just met, when I just came in, I'm so excited to get to know everyone.
Right.
I've somewhere been around for a while, but I think that I've not gotten the chance for people to get to know who I actually am.
True.
So I'm just excited. This is my first day, very nervous, but I'm looking forward. I think it's just fun to chat and for us to get to know each other.
Right. You're sitting with someone who's seasoned and who we all absolutely love. Should she be nervous today?
There's no reason for her to be nervous. But that's how she is, you know. Whatever little I know of her after working with her, spending a lot of time with her. She's one of those students in class, ना जो exam देने के बाद आते हैं, जो कहते हैं कि अरे यार मेरा पेपर अच्छा नहीं गया और result आता है तो 97. She's definitely one of those students.
You're one of those.
I mean, I was not like this in school. I was horrible in school. But here I tried to be a good student.
Right.
Yes.
Right. So, you know, when did you get to know he's in the film? What was that like? How did this, when you all first met?
My process on getting this film was actually quite overnight. I had auditioned for a project with Panchmi, which I unfortunately at that time didn't get. But that audition tape she really enjoyed, and she had actually sent it across to our director Santosh Singh. And she called me over on Sunday night saying that, you know, he's really liked your tape and he wants to meet you. And on Monday I was with him at the office. I heard the story, and he said that he liked the tape. And Tuesday we were prepping, and of course, at that time I think you were shooting. You were shooting, and of course I was like, okay, I have these 2 weeks before Vikrant comes, and I need to be prepared for him. So
I was nervous when I'm sorry, I'm butting in right now. When I got to know कि इसने प्रेप भी शुरू कर दिया. So I got a call saying कि okay, I knew that they are talking to her, and they kept me in loop. He said कि शनाया से बात करें, we are really exciting, I'm looking forward to work with her. The cut to the next call I get is she started prep with Sandy.
Yeah,
and I'm like,
I'm going to be
इतनी जल्दी क्या है?
Doing a film with him. I was like, I have to be on top of my game. And every day I was messaging Punch Me, I was messaging Sandy. So I was like, listen, we need to overdo it. Like, I need to be as prepped as possible. So when we came for the first reading, I was like, good with the script.
She knew it. She was like the पहले दिन पे जब मैं पहुंचा हूँ वहाँ पे, she knew the script. She knew the dialogues. I
knew I was going to be nervous when you came. So I was like, I better not fumble. I better not mess it up. So I started immediately. I was like, there's no time to waste.
Wow. So there was a little bit of a race and competition going on.
हाँ यार, मैं इतना nervous हो गया जब मैं पहले दिन गया. I've worked with Sandy. Sandy is a friend of mine. So he's keeping me in loop कि शनाया का prep शुरू हो गया है. ये वो I came and I went to the office. I had a soft copy on my laptop. I didn't have a hard copy. तो मैंने hard copy उसी वक्त ली and we were like कि चलो let's start reading. जो पहला process होता है और reading के लिए पहला पन्ना जैसे खोला and I am seeing कि ये तो dialogue देख के भी नहीं बोल रही है, तो मतलब dialogue बोल रही है.
Not bad.
यार ये तो मतलब बहुत आगे निकल गई. I really need to
come on, I'm going to be doing. I was doing a film with him. I had to. That's the least. Honestly, I genuinely, I feel like working with him. It was even Dad was like, you're so fortunate.
He is one of our best
actors. Genuinely.
I
swear, when I was even doing my workshop with Rachit Singh, who I've worked with for so many years, and on the last day of the workshop, on the 10th day, we've done everything possible. He said, now you forget everything. So I was like, what do you mean forget everything? He said, no, let go, be in the moment, because tomorrow you're going to be performing with Vikrant Massey. All you have to do is listen to him. He's going to give you so much to take that you just have to be in the moment, be honest to your character, but just listen, because he's going to give so much, you will give back.
Nice.
So
yeah. Vikrant, when you see someone new working with you, what is a different process here, yours and hers, for prepping? Is there any difference? Kuch farak hai?
See, Rohit bhai, I every year try working with a newcomer. I try. And there's a very concerted effort behind it.
क्यों?
क्योंकि to be very honest ना, चाहे वो director हो या writer हो, and this is the first time I'm working with a first time actor.
Right.
What I feel and what tends to happen is कि they tend to shake you up out of your limbo.
Oh wow.
क्योंकि एक साल भर काम करने के बाद I on an average I do 3 films a year or 4 films a year sometimes. तो एक complacency आ जाती है.
Okay.
And I concede to this human nature. वो एक complacency आ जाती है, या फिर एक complacency is also probably not the right word, but कहीं ना कहीं एक आप limbo में चले जाते हैं. तो क्या होता है ना, जब first time writer director आते हैं, they come with a very fresh perspective. And the same applies to actors also and technicians also, because they are out there wanting to give their best. तो जब आप उनका वो जज्बा देखते हो, when you see that fire, and in that case it was her here. It was Sandy's first film as a director. It was Tanveer's first film as a DOP. Shanaya's first film as an actor. तो जो कुछ भी मैं करके आया था वो मुझे unlearn करना था. Because I was like, then you start behaving like a newcomer yourself. You shake off everything. You just sort of recalibrate, and you are out there to match their energy and their aspiration.
Right.
तो वो बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि it's always worked in my favor.
Wow.
And here in Shanaya's case, अभी मतलब mutual admiration club तो हमारा है.
होना ही चाहिए. है भी.
And you know, besides all the fun banter that she was way prepped and everything, I think when we started shooting, when we started on set, you know, and because it is such a challenging part, you know, I'm playing a blind guy in the film. She is also playing someone who's visually challenged in so many ways. It's not just about knowing your script, Rohit bhai. It's about your dedication. ये सामने तारीफ मुझसे होती नहीं है वैसे. It's very challenging to sort of hit the mark, take that light, remember your lines, emote also at the same time. And एज शी सेड कि इतना प्रेप करने के बाद अनलर्न करना वो बहुत ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट होता है. यू नो, इफ़ यू रेड अ स्क्रिप्ट सो मेनी टाइम्स ओवर एंड ओवर अगेन, एक मीटर बैठ जाता है, पर उस मीटर को भूलना.
राइट.
अब डायरेक्टर ने अगर आपको कह दिया कि अच्छा इतने दिनों से हम जो कर रहे थे वो नहीं करना है, कुछ नया करना है, एंड शी वुड जस्ट डिलीवर.
वाओ, दैट्स अमेजिंग.
And I would be like, oh my god, I need to pull up my socks, and I mean it, and I'm not just giving it back to your kindness. She really pulled me up as an actor.
Amazing.
While I was there.
Really nice.
तो वो गिव एंड टेक ही होता है सर. और यहाँ पे तो बिकॉज 80% ऑफ द फिल्म इज बोथ ऑफ अस टुगेदर.
Yeah.
तो she really brought out the best in me.
Wow, that's
and I'm so glad. I'm so glad that you know this is her and her first film is with me.
Yeah.
I'm so glad
Yes.
because in आगे चल के life में I can definitely look back and say, you know, Shanaya's first film.
Yeah, bilkul, absolutely. You know, at this stage of your career, visually challenged and these kind of, it's same like a lot of challenge on the set as well. Was it tough?
I think like I said earlier, we had the time to prep.
Okay.
I had luckily those few months before I got on the first day of set, because the first day I came to prep with the blindfold on. It was a full. I blanked. I fully blacked out. My thoughts were running everywhere. And as an actor, I don't feel like the lines are the most important. What's important is knowing your character.
Yeah.
But that was suddenly it was just when you shut your eyes, your thoughts do kind of go everywhere. So it's very important that you have to learn how to center yourself. You have to learn how to be calm. You have to learn to be in the moment. Even if you're not wearing a blindfold for an actor, you have to learn to be in the moment. But even more so when you have, when you don't have the visual cues, when your eyes are not there, when you're not being able to see the environment. Sometimes as an actor, the environment you're in helps you. It helps you get into the zone. Your costumes, of course, help you. Smell, all of these things help you. So one sense was not there. So the first day of prep only, I realized that I have to start getting used to this blindfold. Even if my character, not without giving away too much, if she's comfortable in the blindfold or not in the film, that you all will see. But as Shanaya, I had to be comfortable that I could play whatever I had to play and catch whatever beat or nuance or whatever emotion that I had to catch that day. I could do that for my character, but as Shanaya, I had to get comfortable. So that was a bit of a process, but I think luckily I had the time, and that's all you need.
Right. Vikrant, you're at a stage where there's so much trust in you that the audience has. Ki, when you see a poster and your name, they're like, yaar, ye to kar hi lega. He will nail it. He entertain bhi kar hi lega. Apna part bhi kar hi lega. Like, what you were talking about earlier is complacency. How do you make sure that none of that comes in the way? You don't just say yes because it's something. That's a tough balance. I mean, no director should feel ki, haan, ye to kar hi lega. Right?
Yaar, very generous of you to say that. I genuinely don't feel that way.
Okay.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है that every film really sort of pushes you to your limits.
Okay.
Irrespective of the genre you are a part of. There's a long way to go to sort of cement that trust. Right. I've just only begun right now. I mean, you can try. I don't know. I don't have a definite answer as to how you sort of maneuver yourself through complacency or fatigue or probably a brain fade. वो ये सारी चीजें होती हैं. It's a part of an actor's life, I feel. The idea is to keep reinventing through new methods, to update yourself from time to time. I mean, you try. I mean, I feel that there is no one method per se. Different characters sort of demand different preparations, different methods of preparation. यहाँ पे मेरे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा challenging भी था. Like she said half the things that when one of your major senses is taken away from you when I'm playing a blind guy, and what in our case what we did was we made customized lenses which I wore throughout the film. Half the film my character is wearing glasses. तो वो एक आपको क्या एक लीवे मिल जाता है कि अच्छा डार्क ग्लासेस पहने पर अंदर आंखें आपकी खुली हैं. वो हमें नहीं करना था.
Okay.
So we ordered customized lenses from America. We got them made. I wore those lenses जिससे 80 to 85% विजन मेरी वैसे ही चली गई थी. वो 10-15% हमने रखी थी लाइट के लिए, हल्की सी creep in करने के लिए for safety reasons, because you can see you're on a set, there are sharp objects, there are props around and everything. तो that really helped.
Okay.
And in this case, जो ये कह रही हैं कि एक you're shocked for the first time. When I wore those lenses for the first time in front of you, you were there, and मैं डर गया था. It was daytime, the sun was bright, it was a sunny day. We are sitting right next to the sea, but I can't see anything. मुझे सिर्फ लाइट का एक हल्का सा एक अंदाजा है, मुझे पता है कि कुछ है आसपास, but I can't see the shape and form. I was very nervous. And I went back home and I realized that this is a different ball game altogether. This film is really going to, and as she said, it's not just about knowing your lines, it's about a lot more in this case. As I said, you have to hit the mark, you have to take the light, you have to respond the right way. Your body language changes, the way you listen completely changes. तो ना वो एक authenticity अपने आप ही आ गई थी. पर वो authenticity तक पहुँचते पहुँचते वो पहले एक nervousness भी पार करनी पड़ी थी.
Okay.
वो एक डर भी था जो पार करना
पड़ा. Very challenging from what you're saying.
Yes.
Yeah. You both are in such different phases of your life, career-wise. At least, you did acting first, then you became famous. Shana, you are already famous. Everybody knows who you are, thanks to Instagram and Paps or whatever the new culture is. Did you wish it had happened any other way? You had become famous later, and fame had come later.
Honestly, I think that whatever my journey has been till now, it's taught me a lot. It's, I think, whatever the fame or the pressure or, sometimes because with fame comes comments, comes the criticism. I've taken it in a very positive way. I've taken it as feedback. I've learned from it and I've grown from it, and I am who I am today because of my parents. They've brought me up in a certain way, and yes, my environment has been this. But I don't think I would have, wanted any other way, because I'm confident today of who I am, and I think that comes with probably things that I've gone through in the span of getting here today.
True.
It hasn't been,
it's been a journey.
It has been a journey of its own to be here today. So I think just everything. I think it's everything happens for a reason. Everything's the way that it's supposed to be for something great to happen. So I'm happy. I'm keeping my fingers crossed, and yeah.
Right, Vikrant. Is there an advice for not just her, anyone younger, how to switch off? Like, how to just go into acting and switch off from this noise? That is important. You do it well.
I don't know if I'm qualified to advise. I mean, मैं खुद ही वो advice
अच्छा कर रहे हो यार.
Implement कर लूँ पहले, I don't know. I mean, to each their own. Actually,
to each their own.
I've always said this.
Okay.
But अगर एक unsolicited advice अगर मुझे देनी ही है, तो I would just say कि just sort of for me, in my case, it's my family and friends who sort of keep me centered.
Right, most important.
After all the fame and adulation and all the perks in life, एक centering force जो होती है, जो I think सबको लगती है, वो मेरे case में मेरी family और मेरे friends हैं. तो वो होना ज़रूरी है, and as I said, to each their own, Right. But एक वो homecoming वाला एक ऐसा एटमॉस्फेयर जरूर होना चाहिए जहाँ पे एक नॉर्मलसी हो, और वेयर जहाँ सच्चाई बोली जा सके.
बिल्कुल.
क्योंकि अनफॉर्चुनेटली एक्टर्स को ना बहुत सर पे चढ़ा के रखते हैं हमारे यहाँ पे. There are a lot of yes men around who probably have their ulterior motives to just be around you, just be good to you, be in your good books. बट कहीं ना कहीं वो एक बंदा हो या एक फैमिली हो या ग्रुप ऑफ फ्रेंड्स हो जो आपसे सच बोल सकें, जो सच्चाई बोल सकें, who can show you the mirror for your good. Right. वो होना बहुत जरूरी है.
Right. Shana, I know your dad very well. We were talking before the interview. He's such a positive guy, seen highs and lows, but when you meet him, energetic.
Full of life.
Yeah, what a guy, right? What of that has come in you? Because like you were talking about your journey, you have come here, it's not been easy. We first heard about you in 2021. Yeah, when Bheda Dhadak was going to happen. Student of the year took some time. What was that like? That any of your dad's traits helped you?
I mean, of course, I think whatever my dad's been through, we all know, and he's had his fair share of ups and downs. And of course, it's the environment that I've been brought up in, like I said earlier, and that's taught me a lot. And yes, it has been a journey to get here. But I'm very happy with the way things turned out. I'm happy that I went through the process that I went through. I'm happy I waited these couple of years, because I think I've become much better prepared as an actor. And I think that learning about the setbacks, the unpredictabilities of our industry has made me value my work a lot more. It's made me more responsible as a person for the opportunities that I do get. And of course, having said all of this, I still know that I've had it, of course, much easier compared to others. But I'm happy that these few years had this little bit. I had this journey with me, because I think it's made me who I am today, and I think hopefully it's made me a better artist as well.
Yeah, I'm sure. Well done. Lastly, to both of you, where will we see you next? We are looking forward on 11th of July, but after this, Vikrant, anything you can tell us?
As you can see, I am, and most people know that I'm preparing for Gurudev Sri Ravi Shankar's part.
Right.
Very nervous. We're doing this film called White. Start shooting in August. Yeah, and it's an incredible story that, and which I think the world should know.
Absolutely.
And yeah, so that's one thing that I start shooting for in August.
Amazing. Looking forward to
Thank
it.
you.
Always to your films.
Thank you.
You will go. After this will be your South film, and then.
Ab to lineup hai sir.
Lineup
Ab to lineup hai.
Kuch bata do,
I'm going to be starting soon with Tu Ya Main, which the teaser which we released a couple of months ago. So that's going to be starting soon. So I'm looking forward to that.
And release wise, what is next?
Release wise, this is it. This is what we're looking forward to.
Great. Thank you so much.
Thank
Love
you.
the energy and be at it. You are with the best company also. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Lovely chatting
Thank
as
you.
always.
Hi, this is Shania Kapoor.
Hi, I'm Vikrant Massey.
And you're watching us on
Bollywood Hungama.